Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. I'm so happy that you're joining me for yet another video, and I usually don't start my vlogs in the evening, but I had to start it now because I came home to a surprise today and I can't wait to unbox it with you. But before I do that, I wanted to say thank you so much for 500 subscribers, guys. We are over 500 subscribers now, meaning we are on our road to 1,000 subscribers. Crazy, I know, right? But thank you so much for everybody that just recently subscribed. Welcome to the channel. I really hope that you like it enough to stay and not unsubscribe, and tell more people about the channel so that we can get it growing. But yeah, I just wanted to say thank you so much. I appreciate it. It really does mean a lot, especially for us small YouTubers that are still growing the channel and our following, and it really is exciting to see the numbers go up. But yeah, anyways, the reason why I'm vlogging at this particular time is because I came home and my husband had bought we have a new coffee machine. We bought an Nespresso, guys. I cannot believe we have been talking about buying an Nespresso for a really long time, and initially it was like, I was like, oh my gosh, you know what, I could even settle for just a normal like coffee machine as long as we can like elevate our coffees around here. And for me to come home to this, guys, you have no idea how excited I am. So I just want to unbox it with you. Let's see what it's looking like. I do know that my husband definitely wants to have a cup today, so that's why I had to vlog it now, because it's like I knew you would want to unbox it for your vlog, so please do so. Okay, I think this is a frother. Yep, it is. Guys, no more. I am not doing coffees the basic way anymore. I'm not going to be boiling a kettle and making coffee the old school. Now look at me, the old school way. Imagine me saying that. Wow, girl. It's a frother. The things that make you get you excited when you grow older, guys. It's stuff like this. And it's funny because at the event, my colleague was saying to me, you love a cup of tea, a cup of coffee, because throughout the day I'm just like, can we go get a coffee? Can we get something to drink? You know what I mean? And to have this, guys, the game has changed, okay? The game has officially changed. Look at how good this looks, guys. Jeez, it looks nice. Let's put a chair. I think this will be the new coffee station. So just gonna set it up there. It is stunning. It is stunning. Okay, let me. What is this? Roasted ground coffee. Oh, it's capsules. So these are capsules, and we had actually bought a whole bag of capsules. I am actually thinking that I'm probably gonna turn one of my drawers into like a drawer I keep my capsules, or I'll buy like a nice container to keep it in the pantry. I'll decide that later. Oh my god, guys, it looks so beautiful. Oh my god. Wow. This is a thing of beauty, you guys. How gorgeous. How gorgeous. Oh, I probably need to still set it up because there's still a few other pieces there. But this is the coffee machine, or the Nespresso, in all its glory. I just wanted to show you quickly before we start using it, and I'll probably make a cup of coffee with you a lot now that we have this baby.
Three key trends that I have identified: definitely an increased spend on technology in the mall. So, I'm quite passionate.
Oh, guys, I don't know if you guys can see me properly, but it is what it is right now. I am so tired. I just got home not so long ago, so the first thing I want to do is take this makeup off. If you're new here, this is my favorite cleansing balm, but if you're an oldie, you have seen me use this a whole lot of times. I mean, for a quick makeup look, my foundation lasted, and for how hot it is lately, I feel like it's doing the Lord's work. But I am literally in need of a new foundation, and I wanted to try the Fenty foundation just to see how it is on my skin, and how I like the product. I love the lip product. I have their skin tint, which I love, but the lady that was helping me gave me a shade that was just a little bit darker. But what I do is I do mix it in with my foundation sometimes. I usually don't use my hands like on my face. When I do wash my face, I use a cleansing sponge. But even when I'm using what's this? When I'm using the cleansing balm, I use a makeup removing cloth, like the reusable ones. But it is what it is. And then for my cleanser, this is always what I use. These products changed my life, guys. I don't want to lie. They changed my whole life. I'm probably going to double cleanse because foundation. This is why you double cleanse, guys. This is why. I'm hoping it's in focus. Because it's the evening, I go in with this retinol serum, and then I'm just gonna put on my face cream, and that's how simple my nighttime skincare routine is. So that's all I do, honestly, and I love it, and it's improved my skin so much. So just gonna put this on, and then we're gonna have dinner and call it like a night, because Lord knows it's been a long day. It's been a long day. And yeah, I keep it this basic. Like honestly, in the evening, my nighttime skincare routine just involves 3 steps: cleanser, a serum, and a moisturizer, and then I'm done. Hi guys, so I just got home from running errands, and the hunger that is like in me right now is out of this world. So I'm gonna heat up some leftover food that we've had in the fridge so that we can kind of like eat that and finish up before like I start cooking this weekend. So I had udon noodles left over from the other day, and then we have this crispy beef and rice. So I'm gonna give a big portion of the crispy beef to my husband, but I'm gonna take a little bit of the beef because I haven't tasted that yet. Actually, I also wanted to talk about the food that I ate yesterday. Guys, I don't know why I didn't vlog it, but It was amazing. So we had black pepper beef with fried rice. Guys, like if I tell you the sauce, that sauce, it was so rich and creamy, but like it was a nice comforting meal. Like it's a good thing that I don't eat that every day because I can easily do that, but like I need to exercise some restraints because honey, when I tell you you can get lost in that dish, trust me. So I'm gonna do this, heat this up quickly, and then eat and figure out what I'm gonna do for the rest of the weekend. Because I initially thought I wanted to put up my Christmas decorations, but I'm really not in the mood. I'm tired. um, I'm tired, and I feel like all that I want to do is literally just eat, read a book, call it a day. You know what I mean? I also wanted to show you guys these bubble milk teas that I tried for the first time yesterday. So this is the one that I had yesterday. Hopefully you guys can see it. This is like the classic or the original flavor. Guys, chef's kiss. When I tell you, I've known about bubble tea for a while, right? But I haven't really gone out and bought any. And I tried it and my life has changed. But I got this one today. I wanted to try a different flavor. This is a matcha flavor that I'm gonna try and have with my lunch. Oh, I can't wait. I hope it's as good as this one. But this is like the classic. It doesn't have a lot of sugar. It's like milk tea, but like with a twist, man. I don't know what's in it, but it has something. And I've been scouring the shops for like bubble tea straws. I can't find any. Probably look for them online. I just found these. I think they're just as thick as these ones that we got from the shop, but they should do. I'm just gonna take one out and cut it because I have no other choice but to do that. Yeah, man, I think it'll work. Let's open this together. Okay, it smells the same as the other tea. Wish me luck. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's just as good. Oh, baby. How taste the in because you don't have this. Oh, guys, this is so refreshing. It's like tea, but whatever they put in here is so good. I'm going to heat up my food so I can eat. So this is what my plate looks like. It's the udon noodles and a bit of the crispy beef. I'm gonna put the details of the shop where we bought the food yesterday, so you guys can try that black pepper beef. Go there and try it. It's cacao. It's in Douglasdale. You will not regret it. I think I do have some footage of the food from last night, but please, please go try it. Like, don't knock it until you try it, and try some bubble milk tea if you haven't. I mean, you probably have, and I'm just the one who's late to the party, but it's giving. So it is Sunday today, and I am about to head out to the shops to do some grocery shopping. It's mainly going to be toiletries, cleaning stuff, and topping up some of the food. What I've changed is I don't really do like a big food shop anymore because if we're being honest, it's just the two of us, and certain a lot of like veggies and fruits they go off if like I buy everything all at once. So I just buy a few things for the week. I'll buy like non-perishables and like toiletries and stuff. So that's what I need to do desperately because if there's one thing we need in this house is toilet paper, and yeah, I need to sort that out. So what I am going to do is make some breakfast first, something cute and light to eat, and then we're going to write down a few things that I definitely don't need to forget, And then we are gonna go together because we haven't gone shopping together in a really long time, especially for food. Go do a refill. I wanted to try these garlic flakes. You guys will notice that I go to different stores when I do my grocery. So this Molly's Pick and Pay Checkers, where the specials are at or the price differences, I'm there. Now we're in this Kim. I'm a Kotex girly. I need every day these fresh individual unscented. Period protector. Definitely a period protector. I also need um do I need pads? Definitely tampons. Should we do the big pack? Let's do the big pack. And then a pack of sorry. And then a pack of pads. Ultra thin. Ultra thin. Here we go. These are the sanitary bags that I use. That is what we have so far in the cart. I still need a couple more things, so let me get those. So I'm in Checkers right now, but I need a moment for this Greek style yogurt. At this point, I didn't notice that my sound was off, but I was excited that there was a special for cheese. Always looking for the specials. Then I needed to grab some cottage cheese as well. Love it for some protein, adds a different texture to a meal. So I am done shopping, guys. That was a challenge and a half. I haven't done like a shop with me in a really long time. And let me tell you, it was so awkward. It was so awkward. I'm out of touch. People were looking at me, felt intimidated. Like I kept putting my camera down a couple of times. I'm like, oh Lord Jesus. At one point, I'm paying at the till, and like the lady behind me is like looking at my phone and like looking at me, and she's just like, yeah, you know, when someone wants to ask you, what are you doing, like what is this? But anyways, I am done shopping. It was a mission and a half. It's like about to be 2 o'clock. I'm gonna go home, unpack everything, and start cooking for Sunday lunch slash dinner, because at this point it might as well be dinner. My battery's dying, so I'm gonna switch this back on. It's so hot in this car. So my battery's dying, and I'm just gonna end the vlog here, guys. Thank you so much for joining me. I really, really hope that you enjoyed the vlog, and I will see you in the next one. And please don't forget, comment, like, subscribe, and share the channel. And mwah, I'll see you in the next one, honeys. Bye.